This is my tutorial on how to install terrarium if you don't have it. Okay, right now I do have it. I have it right there. So I'm going to quickly uninstall it. You go to settings. In this program, you go to more settings. On some of the other boxes, it's just you'll see this box immediately. You'll see all your apps and everything. What you're looking for is apps. You click on apps. And down here, I have terrarium right there. Oh, it moved on me. So I click on terrarium and I go uninstall. And I have to say okay. And it's uninstalled. Okay, so let's get to installing it. You might have to go to apps. Mine has Chrome right up there. So if you don't, you're going to have apps. Click on apps. You're going to look for browser or Chrome. So I have Chrome, so I'm going to click on Chrome. This comes up on my boxes. I'm just going to uncheck the help make Chrome better. Say accept. And no thank you. I do not want to sign in. So in here, I'm going to type up terrarium. T-E-R-R-A. Terrarium right there. As you can see it. So I'm going to click on it. And there it says Terrarium TV. Okay, so I'm going to click on that. There it says download Terrarium TV 1.83. So I'm just going to click on it. And this one asks me for permission to download. So I'm just going to say update permission and allow. And it says it might harm my thing. It's not going to harm it. So just wait. On some boxes, you'll see an arrow up here. And when the arrow stops flashing, that means it's finished downloading. This one doesn't show this. So I have to give it a little bit of time. I'm on Eastlink, so I'm at about 130 megs a second. So I should be done by now. So on your remote, you hit your little home button. Hit your home button, and that disappears. I'm going to go to File. Browser right here. It could be in your apps if it's not on your main page. So I'll go into the apps and show you that it is in your apps. There it is right there. File browser. Click into it. Go to my local disk. Go to downloads. And it says app release APK. I don't know why they don't call it terrarium, but I'm going to click on it. Do you want to install Terrarium TV? Yes, I do. Install. Give it a few seconds. And done. So I'm going to go to done. Now, get rid of it. Back. Now, if you don't have it down here, all you do is hit your plus sign and find where terrarium is and put a check mark. And then when you come back out, it's going to be on your line. Now, if you do not have MX Player, terrarium will need to use the other viewer, player. So I'm going to click on Terrarium TV, and I'll show you what that means. And you give it a few seconds. I know it's saying do devices location. Just allow everything. Allow. It says contacts. You don't have any contacts on this box, so don't worry about it. Allow. And there it says, do you want to use the XO player? If you do not have MX Player, you will have to use that XO player. But I am going to click on MX Player. I'm going to check. If I have it, it's going to work. If it doesn't, it's going to say it's not going to. So, hit OK and accept. Right here is where I can change my player. Click on it. Click on the word settings. And right there says choose. I'm sorry. It says choose default video player. If I click on that, I can change the player. So if it does come up and say you do not have MX player, go to the EXO player. But I know my box does. Most of my boxes do have it, so you should have it. So again, it's the same thing. Click on one of the things. Click on seasons. Click on a season. This will come up. Just hit OK. Hit play. My servers will come up. That comes up. Just hit OK. It's just little things showing you the new things that have added. You can change your player right here. So if I did hit it and it said I didn't have it, I could have changed it right there. And that's it. Any problems, you always can message me. Okay? Enjoy!